Hi everyone, we are here in the first formal living area of this apartment. All the walls of the hall we've adorned with cement, and we've also given a geometric pattern here. The entire house has this geometric pattern or lines of geometry concept which run also on the woodwork and the walls of the entire area. Basically, we wanted to run this grey and wooden pattern combination in the entire house, and that I think is the highlight of this apartment. The formal living area, we've kept only one sofa. We've not added much around here, just to have that flow of energy going throughout the hall and for it to not look like a lot of furniture in one area. We've given this nice panel design on the front wall with a marble Ganpati in the center. And the really special feature of this hall is that we've covered the huge chunk of fall ceiling that had all the pipes and sprinkler connection through it with a wooden looking PVC panel. And it also have a cove light inside of it, which makes it look really nice and different. Section of this apartment. The walls still have all the texture that you see. This is running in the entire hall area like I mentioned before. We have kept the sofa in the same grey hues that you see running in the entire house. The painting and the coffee table are both from bench chair, the monkey as well, and the lights are sourced from Amazon. Here we have the TV unit because this, like I said, is an informal living section. We've given a marble looking laminate high gloss on the background and covered it with the gold tea putties that we've used in the formal section as well. And just a minimalist combination of marble, wood and texture, grey texture that we've used in the entire hall, and that I think binds this entire area together. We're now in the master bedroom of this apartment. Like all the other areas, the grey and wooden theme runs here as well. We wanted to have a cushioned seating or a seating here, but not still take a lot of space in this area. So we've given an L-shaped seating here which has a cushioned backrest and it takes minimal space in front. Here we have the book storage cum display section. The wardrobe here are dark grey in glass and tall shutters ceiling to floor. So that makes this area look free and tall and really beautiful.